Hey everyone, and welcome back to our MRCEM SBA Success Series. Today, we are tackling a crucial, often overlooked, but absolutely vital part of your journey developing a robust study plan. This isn't just about opening books, it's about smart, sustainable preparation, setting realistic goals. First up, setting realistic goals. This is where many doctors understandably stumble. We are used to pushing ourselves to the limit, but for an exam like the MRCEM SBA, burnout is your biggest enemy. Ask yourself, how much time can I genuinely dedicate each week, each day? Be honest. Factor in your shifts, family commitments, and even some downtime. What are my existing commitments? Are you doing night shifts? Are you on a busy rotation? This all impact your available study hours. What's my starting knowledge level? If you're fresh out of core training, your goals might differ from someone with more ED experience. Don't aim for perfection, aim for consistency. It's far better to do 30 minutes of focused study every day than to plan for 4 hours and only manage it once a week. Think marathon, not sprint. Designing a schedule for busy doctors. Now let's talk about designing a schedule that actually works for busy doctors here in the UK. We know your rota can be brutal, so flexibility is the key. Here are my top tips. Number one, time blocking your rota. Before you even think about study, block out all your work shifts, commutes, and essential life tasks. What's left? That's your potential study time. Tip 2, short bursts are gold. You might not get 2-hour chunk. Embrace micro learning. Can you do 15 minutes on your lunch break? 20 minutes before a night shift starts? 10 minutes on your commute if you're not driving? These add up. Tip 3, utilize weekends strategically. Don't sacrifice your entire weekend. Designate specific, realistic blocks. Maybe a longer session on Saturday morning, followed by well deserved rest. Tip 4, be flexible, not rigid. Your rota will change, life happens. Don't throw your whole plan out the window if you miss a session. Adjust, reschedule, and move forward. Remember, your schedule should serve you, not the other way around. Balancing work, study, and life. This is perhaps the hardest part, balancing work, study, and life. The American is demanding, but your well being is non negotiable. Here is why balance is crucial. Avoid burnout. As doctors, we are prone to it. Pushing too hard without breaks lead to decreased retention and exhaustion. Maintain performance at work. You can't be an effective doctor if you're consistently sleep deprived and stressed from studying. Your patients need you at your best. Mental health. Neglecting your personal life can take a serious toll. Keep up with hobbies, see friends and family, and get enough sleep. Prioritize self care. That might sound counterintuitive when you have an exam looming, but it's an investment in your study efficiency and your overall health. Schedule downtime just as you would study time. Go for a walk, call a friend, read a non medical book. Is all part of a sustainable plan. 3-month study timetable. To help you visualize this, I have put together a sample 3-month study timetable. This is designed to be adapted to your specific circumstances. The timetable includes dedicated time for practice questions. They are critical for the SBA exam. And remember to build in revision weeks or days to revisit earlier topics. Don't just move on and forget. So there you have it, the framework for developing your MRCEM SBA study plan. Be realistic, be flexible, and prioritize your well-being. A well-planned approach is your secret weapon for success. If you found this helpful, please give us a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what challenges you face with your study schedule. Next time, we are diving into strategies for retaining information to pass the MRCEM exam with flying colors. See you then.